How to make Christmas cutout sugar cookies by DaSilva. Find your workspace to make these cookies. Here are the ingredients you'll need. First, preheat your oven at 375 degrees. Now take 2 softened sticks of butter and place them into a bowl. Add 1 cup of sugar to the bowl. Now crack an egg into a separate bowl and whisk until it is completely blended. It should look like this. Place the egg into the bowl and set the ingredients inside. Now take a new bowl and add 2 cups of flour to it. Now add 1 tablespoon of baking powder into the bowl, along with 2 teaspoons of salt. Now mix the dry ingredients together and set it aside. Now take your wet ingredients and mix it with a mixer on low speed. Now take the dry ingredients little by little and mix them in with the wet ingredients. Your dough should look like this once fully blended. Take your dough in 2 sections rounded and put them on the paper. Now fold the paper in half to place them in your fridge. Place them in your fridge for about an hour until they are hardened. They should come out hardened after an hour. Now flatten out your dough so it's thin. Cut out your cookies into the shape you want. Place them on your mat. And if you want to add sugar to make them look festive for Christmas. Now place them into the oven. Set a timer for 9 minutes. While they're cooking, you can clean up your workspace. Now you can take out the cookies once they are done. They should look like this.